Hey guys, thanks very much for coming back to visit my channel, My Producer Journey. So I'm going to continue on the series of videos that I'm doing, and it's a very short one and it's pretty simple as well. I know there's a lot of videos out there already talking about this. I'm talking about the vision. The vision here is slightly different to what you may hear outside. I'm talking about a vision that has a 3 to 5 year boundary. The reason why I talk about a 3 to 5 year boundary is because we need time where we can assess also. Things will happen, things will change as you put this framework into play. Some things will happen faster, some things will happen slower. Some things may not happen at all. So we need that vision to be bounded in some way, so that it gives us that time, that kind of checkpoint to have a look at where we are and take stock of that, and then to reevaluate where we're going to go with this. Now, yesterday you would have written down what it is that you want and why it is that you want that. Today is about expanding on that as to looking at then how you will look at achieving the what. So it's more about now narrowing down the dream into a 3 to 5 year package, where you can realistically say to yourself, within 3 to 5 years I envisage myself being X or Y. I will be at this point in life, or I have made this much progression, or I would have this way of working, this type of lifestyle. It may not be the dream yet, it may not be 100%, but it's the an X percentage of the way. Now, by all means, it could be the 100% if you wanted to, and it is down to the effort that you put in. But this is more about realistically trying to think, what can you do in 3 to 5 years? And writing that down. It's pretty much as simple at this stage. It's literally just picking, let's say, 3 things that within 3 to 5 years you see yourself achieving. Okay, that's all you need to do, and think about, and by this time you would have selected a dream as well now, to enable those 3 things that will enable that dream, a component or the whole dream, to come true. So have a go at doing that, see what you come back with. Drop the questions or any thoughts in the comments and let me know, and I will respond back. But that's it really on this one. Let's talk about the next stages in the subsequent videos, which is where we're now starting to even break down that further and look at more detailed ways of implementing these things now. So good luck with that. I shall see you on the next one. Thank you very much again for joining in. If you haven't subscribed already, please do, and click on the alert, as these videos are coming out every day. And as you know, if you've started from the beginning, there is a bunch of videos that I'm doing to kind of up my own skills in YouTubing, as well as trying to hit this 152 target. But anyway, I shall stop there. Thank you very much again. Take care. Bye-bye.